Hello. Okay, there we go. See, I got two Baja designs, the side or the fog lights for passenger and driver side. Ordered from the same company, but they only ship these two first, and then the 20-inch comes in tomorrow. It's weird. Same company, but this one shipped UPS, the 20-inch shipped FedEx. Weird. And I do not see a lot of install instructions, but okay, see, this is all that comes in it. No wiring harness, but this is an adapter, so I gotta cut the existing rigid fog light plug off. I need to buy, actually I need to buy the adapter to just adapt it, and I don't need to cut nothing. But I'm not using the rigid fog lights anyway, so I might as well just cut it and don't even use the adapter, but the adapter would help. Well, we're gonna install it. So this is a 2 plug. More fabricating that I gotta do, right? That's just what you gotta do. So I got the Cobb intercooler right there, but the ONX6 does not fit on the side. The S8s go there for SR style. It's thinner than the ONX6+. What I have to do is utilize this space right here, which is gonna sit like this, but mount on the grill. So I'm thinking about dremeling. I gotta cut this part off, and then it's gonna sit in like this. Well, not right here, but over here when I cut this piece off, and then I'll just cut this piece off here too, and then that's gonna be behind the grill ONX6, which is gonna sit right here. So let's go do that, and I'll be back. I'm gonna Dremel a notch. I'm gonna do the hardest one first, which is the driver's side, okay? Which is where I'm at right here, the R and the D. The F and the O is the passenger side, which nothing's blocking it, but let's do the driver's side. And we're gonna notch out, first of all, we gotta cut this bar off. Now, we could clean up that shit later on. We got a notch. I'm supposed to tie my hair up. Okay. That plastic is hot. That plastic is fucking hot. Check out what I got so far. So I notched out this area. I got to clean it up a little bit. And see, it's gonna sit in like that. Shit, that might be perfect right here. There we go. I had to cut the grill, which a lot of people will not do, but those ONX6 are not meant to be mounted like that. And yeah, it's a pretty shitty job. The S8s are supposed to be for the fog lights because they're thinner, but I bought ONX6 Plus and had to make do, you know, had to whip some shit up, so I didn't record much. I was thinking. So the wiring harness, it's not here, so they're just installed, but the wires and stuff is ready to be plugged in. I got them tucked away for now. So the splitter comes in and they'll split to two of these will connect to each other, and then it'll split to one and into the S-Pod. Once I get those, then we'll turn the lights on. But the bottom one, that was easy because it was meant for that section. So I was tackling these two right here, so they're not behind the grill. They're pretty much cut into the grill. That's how they look. Let's see how they perform when we do runs and stuff, because right now they're just zip tied. I have to fabricate some sort of mount, maybe 3D print it or CNC cut something. I don't want to pay like $200 to cut some aluminum I could just use just to mount those on, but right now it's secure for now. See, they're fucking tough, but we'll see when we, you know, hit high speeds and stuff. But that's how it looks for now. Let me close the hood, make sure there's no tools.